One thing you can do to make sure that you have a nice round, even shape with your macarons is to use a template rather than just piping straight onto a Silpat or parchment paper with no lines. I like to use Silpats, and I just buy mine with a macaron template already printed on it, but you can easily DIY it, make your own. Simply measure out 2 pieces of parchment paper that fit nicely in your cookie sheets, and then find a glass or a top of a bottle or something perfectly round that's about 1.25 inches, and just use that as your little tracing device. Use a Sharpie or a dark pencil, and you want about 30 of those circles evenly spaced on each piece of parchment paper. That way when you go to pipe, you can flip it over and just use that template as a way to make sure that each macaron is exactly the same size and that you're getting a really nice round shape.